Hausa Potato, Soya Chunk Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the soy recipes and one of the most different of the potato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the Hausa potato recipes. Today we are going to make Hausa potato soya chunk rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of cleaned and cut Hausa potato or Chinese potatoes, around 100 grams of soya chunk, 25 grams of garlic, 1 onion cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 2 tomatoes cut into pieces. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Now put in the ginger, salt, thoroughly. Mix. Now put in the onion pieces. Chop the onions, put the ginger, till the leaves are pinkish color. Keep on sauteing. After the sauteing this, put in the garlic pieces. soya chunk pieces. Salt. Soya chunk pieces together. Now put in the tomato paste. Put in the Hausa potato and Chinese potato. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Pour in 50 ml of water. Mix. Thoroughly mix them up. Thoroughly mix so that all the ingredients are nicely mixed with each other. Put in salt to taste and mix. Mix thoroughly. Now pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Mix and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. After cooking for the required amount of time, put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 5 more minutes. Now the Hausa potato soya chunk rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final Hausa potato soya chunk rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the yellow rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the Hausa potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the soy recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.